Good morning, my friends. It is Monday. And you know what? The birds do not care. That's right. The birds are singing outside. I am walking our dogs right now, and I had to come on here and let you guys listen to how happy the birds are this Monday morning. And you hear them? They don't care about it not being the weekend or all of that stuff. They just are enjoying life. So I hope you guys can enjoy life. Be grateful that you are awake. Be grateful that you have your coffee. Be grateful that you have breakfast. Be grateful that you have a job that pays your bills, even if you don't like that job. Because let me tell you, friends, I know a lot of people that would love to have a job right now. Any job, because they've been looking for years and cannot find one. Yes, I have a few friends like that as we speak. It's been really tough the last couple years. So be thankful that you have a job. Be like the birds. Just be grateful that you have food in your tummy, that you have a sky to look up to, a home to wake up under. There are wonderful things to be thankful for. So remember to thank the Lord for everything that you have, for the breath in your lungs. Be like the birds.